Chicken and waffles, that is, on Cooking with Jon.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole! Oh, got the bubble over. Uh-oh, uh-oh. It's gonna be fucking full of shit. Okay, well, I'm glad she's a pixie trucker, but she's not a chicken.
Welcome guys. As I said, tonight we are making chicken and waffles. Ah, you gotta love that stuff. Anyway, it was a viewer request. Someone asked, hey, I want to see you make chicken and waffles. So sure, why the hell not? I got a waffle iron and I got a deep fryer chicken. So we're making chicken and waffles. That's all there is to it. This recipe is courtesy of Tori80.com. It must be the lady's name, I'm guessing, I'm not sure. Anyway, if you don't know what we do here, guys, we go online, find yourselves a recipe, go to the store, which is getting harder and harder to do, I might add. Come back home with the groceries and make the recipe. This is day, I believe it is day 90 of my 365-day cooking challenge, and it is day 30 of my world record that I'm attempting. That's for cooking a different dish off the internet, or a different recipe off the internet, every day, without repeating, for as long as it takes them to give me the record. I don't know if they're going to or not. We'll have to wait and find out. They're supposed to get back to me, but given the current circumstances, I assume it's going to be a bit slower than usual. So, hey, whatever. No big deal. Anyway, we're going to start with our chicken, guys. For this bad boy, let me get the gloves on here. Nice blue gloves. Anyone need an exam? No? Any takers? No? Alright. That's fine. They're free. No? Alright. Anyway, back to what we're doing. If I get the glove on here. So, we're going to start with our egg mixture. So, 3 eggs. Cracked in there. Boom. Boom. And boom. 3 eggs. And our water, which is a 1/4 cup of water. And a 1/2 cup of, it calls for red chili sauce, or red hot sauce, so I went with Frank's Red Hot. It's red. It says red in the name. That's hot. That's good. Perfect. So we're going to whisk that together. Tells us to do. Oh, that's lovely. I ain't drinking it. Very nice. So, after that, next thing we got our flour. A couple cups of that is enriched flour, or whatever, you know, the stuff in it. I can't think of the name, but anyway, it's in the recipe. It's like an enriched flour or something. And then we got pepper in there. We'll give that a mix around. Ooh, throw it all over the place, John. Good idea. Wife's gonna love me for that one. Alright, so, beautiful. Get that the hell out of there. So, we're gonna start with our chicken. It says to salt the chicken. I don't really want the gloves on my hands and the salt here, though. So we salt the chicken. This is supposed to be with bone-in chicken, guys, but, well, I had chicken breasts, so, you know, that's the way it is. And then a little bit of garlic powder on the chicken, too. We'll give them a flip over and do the other side as well. Salt. And a tiny bit of garlic powder, it says. A little garlicky. Alright. And excuse me. Just waste gloves here, why not, eh? This way I don't, my hands don't get all cracky and stuff, you know. So, now, I'm going to start with dredging the chicken in the hot sauce mix. And then follow by the flour. Alright. There's one piece done. I'll keep going on that, guys, and I'll be right back in a moment. Welcome back, guys. So our chicken is ready to go in. Got her all breaded up, looking good. So let's chuck her in the fryer. Get that on the go. Shake her around, try to separate the best I can. Some tongs here, make sure they're separated. Don't want them to fry together. Alright, so we'll get those on the go. It says it takes about 89 minutes out of those bad boys, so let them cook away. Meanwhile, let's make our waffles. We got our waffle iron heating up, so it tells us to sift our flour, baking powder, our sugar, and salt together. So we'll get that going. Sift, 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 sift. Lovely. There we go. They're all sifted together. Now in the other bowl, we're going to combine our wet ingredients, it says. So we got our eggs. 1 egg. 2 eggs. Our melted butter, about a 1/4 cup. Doesn't everyone just love their butter? And our 1 3/4 of warm milk. And it tells us to beat those all together. I believe probably the vanilla at the same time too. I'm going to throw that into vanilla extract. That's an optional ingredient, but hey, what the hell. So, get that all whisked together. So they're all beaten up. And it tells us to combine that in our mixing bowl. So we'll get that all whisked up. We'll be back in one moment, guys. So welcome back, guys. Our batter is well mixed. So now we're going to make our waffles. My trusty little Betty Crocker waffle iron here. Get them all spread out. Last time I overloaded the bad boy a little bit and a bit of a waffle mess coming out of the back of it, so let's see if I can avoid that this time. We'll find out. We'll get that all loaded up nice. I'm probably going to make a mess of it again, I'm going to be honest with you, but hey, whatever. That's half the fun anyway. So, get that in there, shut her up, and we'll see how those waffles turn out. Alright guys, welcome back. Our chicken and waffles are done. They're looking great. I don't mind that at all. Chicken looks awesome. Waffles look good. A little bit of syrup on there. Why the hell not? Let's see how the bad boys taste. Kind of looking forward to this. Who doesn't look forward to this sort of stuff? That chicken cakes, that's freaking good. Wow. A little bit of that waffle too. Wow, that is good stuff. Damn. I recommend that one. That's good. Freaking right. Son of a bitch. Anyway. Wow. Come check our date and time, guys. This is for the authenticity of our record here that we're going for. It is the 2nd of April, 6:36, Miss Shores. Anyway, guys, this is another Cooking with Jon. Thanks for the idea. I love the chicken and waffles. Worked out great. Any other things you want me to see me make? Throw in the comments, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe as well. Anyway, bye for now. We'll see you next time.